Today we're going to review the MSR Lowdown Remote Camping and Backpacking Stove Adapter. Fold-out legs create a wide, stable base that ensure maximum stability on uneven surfaces, and this adapter allows stoves of nearly any size to support larger pots and pans with ease, whether for gourmet meals or cooking for large groups. It also features a convenient remote fuel hose and regulator, which allows you to place the cylinder in a safe and stable location and gives you more control over your stove's flames without worrying about burning your hand. The MSR Lowdown is also incredibly easy to set up and use, and its compact size and lightweight design makes it perfect for backpacking trips. With its durable stainless steel construction and reliable performance, you can trust that the MSR Lowdown will be a reliable addition to your camping gear for years to come. It weighs only 6.2 ounces. So if you're looking for a versatile and reliable stove adapter for your next camping or backpacking trip, look no further than the MSR Lowdown Remote Camping and Backpacking Stove Adapter. We highly recommend it.